Welcome to the kitchen where we are crafting a quintessential comfort food, the easy peach cobbler. Imagine a dessert that brings together the sun-kissed sweetness of ripe peaches with a delicate, buttery topping that turns perfectly golden in the oven. This recipe is designed for anyone who wants a spectacular homemade treat without spending hours on complex techniques or rare ingredients. For the peach filling, you will need about 6 to 8 fresh peaches that are ripe but still firm to the touch. You will also need half a cup of granulated sugar, a splash of lemon juice to brighten the flavor, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, and a teaspoon of ground cinnamon. A small pinch of nutmeg is optional, but it adds a lovely warmth. Next, we prepare the cobbler topping ingredients, which include all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, a pinch of salt, melted butter, and fresh milk. You can also add a little extra vanilla extract to the batter for a deeper flavor profile. We will also need a bit of butter to grease our baking dish to ensure nothing sticks and the edges get crisp. Start by washing the peaches thoroughly under cool water to remove any fuzz or debris. If you prefer a smoother, more refined filling, you can carefully remove the skins, though leaving them on provides a rustic look and extra texture. Cut each peach in half, remove the pits, and then slice them into thin, even pieces so they cook consistently throughout the dish. Place your sliced peaches into a large mixing bowl and add the sugar, lemon juice, vanilla, cinnamon, and that pinch of nutmeg. Give everything a gentle stir until every single slice is coated in the fragrant mixture. Let the peaches sit for a few minutes so they can begin to release their natural juices, which will eventually form a thick, syrupy filling. While the peaches are resting, let's prepare the cobbler batter in a separate bowl. Whisk together the all-purpose flour, granulated sugar, baking powder, and a small pinch of salt until they are well combined. This dry base is what gives our topping its structure and helps it rise into that signature soft, cake-like layer that everyone loves in a traditional cobbler recipe. Now, add the melted butter and milk into the dry ingredients, along with a dash of vanilla extract for extra richness. Stir the mixture together just until you have a smooth, thick batter, being careful not to overmix it. Overmixing can lead to a tough topping, so stop once there are no more large pockets of dry flour visible in the bowl. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and take a moment to lightly grease your baking dish with butter. Pour the prepared peaches and every drop of those delicious, spiced juices into the dish, spreading them out into an even layer. The peaches should cover the entire bottom of the dish, creating a solid foundation of fruit for our golden topping to rest on. Using a spoon, drop the cobbler batter over the peaches in dollops rather than spreading it perfectly smooth. You do not need to cover every single inch of the fruit, as leaving small spaces allows the juicy peaches to bubble through and create a beautiful marbled look as the cobbler bakes. Use a spatula to gently level any very high peaks of batter. Place the baking dish into the center of the preheated oven and let the magic happen. As it bakes, the peaches will soften and release their sugars while the topping rises and browns. The smell filling your kitchen will be absolutely incredible, with notes of warm cinnamon, melted butter, and sweet vanilla wafting through the air, signaling that something delicious is almost ready. Bake the cobbler for approximately 40 to 50 minutes until the peach filling is bubbling vigorously around the edges and the topping is a deep, beautiful golden brown. Every oven is a bit different, so keep a close eye on it during the final few minutes. You are looking for a firm, golden crust that feels set to the touch but remains soft underneath. Once the top is perfectly golden, carefully remove the baking dish from the oven using oven mitts. It is crucial to let the cobbler cool on a wire rack for at least 10 to 15 minutes before serving. This resting period allows the hot peach juices to thicken slightly, making it much easier to scoop out clean portions that hold their shape on the plate. Now comes the moment everyone has been waiting for, serving the warm peach cobbler. Take a large spoon and scoop out a generous portion, making sure to get plenty of those juicy peaches from the bottom and a good piece of the golden topping. The contrast between the soft, syrupy fruit and the buttery, slightly crisp crust is what makes this dessert a timeless classic. To take this dessert to the next level, place a large scoop of cold vanilla ice cream right on top of the warm cobbler. As the ice cream begins to melt, it creates a creamy sauce that mingles with the peach syrup and the buttery cake. Whether you choose ice cream or whipped cream, this combination of temperatures and textures is absolutely heavenly. Keep these simple tips in mind for the best results. Always try to use ripe, fragrant peaches for the best flavor, but adjust the sugar levels if your fruit is exceptionally sweet or a bit tart. Remember not to overmix your batter to ensure a light texture, and always let the dish rest for a few minutes so the flavors can fully develop before you dig in. If fresh peaches are out of season, you can easily substitute them with canned or frozen peaches so you can enjoy this treat all year long. Just remember to drain the excess syrup from canned peaches or allow frozen ones to thaw and drain slightly before mixing them with your spices. This flexibility ensures that a warm, comforting peach cobbler is never out of reach. Thank you so much for joining us to make this easy peach cobbler today. This simple yet impressive dessert is perfect for family dinners, holiday gatherings, or just a cozy night in. If you love this recipe, please give this video a like, leave a comment about your favorite toppings, and subscribe to Recipesny for more delicious homemade meals and sweet treats.